Hey guys, I'm just gonna show you how I make uh, my AI videos using CapCut, ChatGPT. So the first thing you want to do is to create that story that you want with your ChatGPT. So you just go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to create a new, like a story. So in this case, I would just say, write me a narrator script for a true African story. So this one is about the story of Wangari Maathai, the woman who planted hope. So you look at the story line here, see if it's something that you want to do. If it is, then just copy there and go to TikTok. Sorry, CapCut. So once you go on your CapCut on your mobile, just click all tools and you will see the AI story maker. So click on the AI story maker, start afresh. So you paste it in there. Then you just want to remove all this. Of course, here's the narrator script. You remove that. And the narrator script, I take this one out. Then I leave the story of Wangari, the woman who planted hope. I remove this. So basically, I'll show you two ways. One of the other ways is just click done once you paste it in there and just say generate script. Then you typed in the story here, the story of Wangari Maathai. So you can type that in. Then you see at the bottom here, you put in the key points. I put African story, baritone voice, village setting. So once you've done that, then I want to create it for 5 minutes and I ask it to generate. So this is generating in real time. Now you can read through and see if it is what you want. So let's assume this is what we want, then you use. But if not, you can cancel it and use the one for the chat GPT at the top. So assuming you want to check if the other ones has any relevance to what you want, you check and you click on that. Then if not, let's try and use the first one and let's click use. So once you click use, I normally leave it on auto, and it depends. If you're using it for TikTok, then it should be 9:16. Then if you're using it for YouTube shorts, it's also 9:16. But if you want to use it for the main YouTube, your main YouTube channel, you leave it for 16:9. So once you click done, then you click on generate. When you click on generate, just keep staying on this screen because sometimes it takes about 5 minutes for it to create the scenes. So what I do is I keep touching the screen once in a while like that, so it doesn't close, because sometimes when it closes like that, you just have to start again. So what I normally do is, before I start, I normally open my TikTok channel down, so when I'm sending from the CapCut, it goes straight into my TikTok channel. So let's wait a while. Just keep tapping the screen to refresh. You need a bit of patience for this one because it takes about 3 to 5 minutes depending on how long it is.
In the heart of Africa, beneath the warm Kenyan sun, there lived a remarkable woman whose story would change not just her nation, but the world. Let me tell you about Wangari Maathai, a daughter of the soil who dared to dream differently. Picture this, a small village in the highlands of Kenya, where young Wangari spent her childhood watching her grandmother tend to their ancestral lands. The earth was rich then, the forests dense, and the streams flowed with crystal clear water. But this wasn't just any ordinary childhood. It was one that...
You can just click on it like that and click on the replace button there. But in this case, I don't need to replace any scene. But just in case, you will see some blank scenes. So what I do is I do a screenshot, and then I do a screenshot of the scene before the one that is blank. I will try and see if I can make one that has a blank screen, so I'll show you what I mean. So like this video now, you see that this one has no pictures or anything. So what we'll do is you play it from here.
He suffered seizures,
From here. So once you start,
historians say he was more like a shadow than a king.
like that, and then you crop it like this, and then save. So once you save, then you go here and you replace it from photos.
He married twice, had no children, and died alone.
You will see that there are two pictures that are same there.
Historians say he was more like a shadow than a king. He married twice, had no children, and died alone, his body riddled with illness. His parents were uncle.
So then now let's export. So once I click export, it says save and share to TikTok. So I click on that, and then it tries to share it to TikTok, like you can see.
In the heart of Africa, beneath the warm Kenyan sun, there lived a remarkable...
Just click next, and up here, what was the title again? The story of the woman who planted hope. So come back here, paste it, and if you need to put any hashtags, put it in, and then you post it.
And name.
So that's it, done. Then if you need to create like this one now, and I just thought ChatGPT create a thumbnail for the better to specify it. Create a TikTok thumbnail. Yeah, then tap on it and just click save. So that's save. And I go back here.
It's time you.
Video.
In the heart of Africa, beneath the warm Kenyan sun, there lived a remarkable
Post. And click on edit the cover. And then click on upload. That is the one we want. And then a save. And save again.
woman whose story would change not just her nation,
So it takes a while to come up there. So these are the videos that I've made before now. So yeah, that's how I make my videos. And then I go to YouTube. Then you post if you want to post as a shorts or you want to post as a video. Click on that.
in the heart of Africa,
In this
beneath the
case,
warm Kenyan sun,
I want to post
They're li-
it as a short. So click on that.
in the heart of Africa, beneath the warm Kenyan sun, there lived a remarkable woman whose story would change not just her nation, but the world. Let me tell you about Wangari Maathai, a daughter of the soil who dared to dream differently. Picture this: a small village in the highlands of Kenya, where young
So,
in the heart of Africa, beneath
and next. So with this method, you have posted on TikTok and also on YouTube. So that's it. Put your public, select your audience, not made for kids, and upload your shots. That's it. Takes a while, but it comes up. So I hope this video has been helpful enough. If there are any questions, leave a comment in the comment section and I will be able to answer your questions. So until I come your way next time, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video.